Add condensed milk to a mold and be surprised by the result. In a rectangular mold previously greased with margarine, stir by adding 395 grams of condensed milk. In a large bowl, add 2 eggs, 150 grams of refined sugar, and mix well until combined. Once you've done that, add 100 milliliters of vegetable oil, a 240 milliliter cup of milk, and mix very well until incorporated. Now, add 140 grams of sifted wheat flour, 60 grams of chocolate powder, also sifted, and mix until combined. Take this time to share this video and write in the comments section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. Finally, add a tablespoon of baking powder and mix gently until the baking powder has incorporated. Have you got that recipe app? It's already available for download. With this app, you'll have access to all our recipes in the palm of your hands, and you'll get notified every time we upload a new recipe. In addition to all that, you'll also have access to an exclusive area in which you can bookmark your favorite recipes. Go to the App Store or Play Store now, type that recipe, and download it. Once you've done that, transfer all this batter to the mold with the condensed milk. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. Take to a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake for 45 minutes. But keep an eye out. Baking time may vary depending on the power of your oven. This is the right baking point. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comments section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye-bye.